For the next experiment, you will need a plastic bottle, a bowl of rice, uncooked raw rice, some chopsticks, and a funnel. So, shall we begin? I will first empty the rice into the bottle using the funnel. So as you are filling it, you need to tap it now and then to make sure there are no air spaces in between. So we are going to fill the bottle full with rice, and we are going to make sure there are no air spaces. So now I have filled the bottle full with rice. So make sure there are no air spaces in between. So to make sure there are no air spaces, you need to keep tapping it as you fill it. Now the next step is to insert the sticks inside the bottle. So it might be a little difficult because the bottle is full. So once you push it in nicely and you just lift the stick, can you see the bottle coming up? So this is what we call the force of friction. Since there is no air space inside and the rice particles are all tightly packed, so the density is very high. It is very compactly packed. So because of this density, there is a force of friction that acts on the sticks. That is why when we lift it, the bottle comes along. This is because the force of friction is strong enough to hold the sticks inside the bottle. So I hope you have learnt what is the force of friction from this experiment.